Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo and welcome to this second video on the things that make this food design thinking process unique. In this video we will discuss its breadth and depth, the designing for experience aspect, and the system thinking that is embedded in the process. And then make sure you watch the third video also, which will be about how the food design thinking process deals with empathy. These aspects that we are discussing in these three videos are all the things that make this process unique and very different from other generic design thinking processes or creative processes that are available out there. The food design thinking process guides the food designer to expand the breadth and depth of her understanding on the food design context of interest. And it does this by using the 4 pillars of food design as a framework. This framework is used in most methods throughout the process, and I've also made a whole video about the 4 food design pillars. The food design thinking process helps the food designer to generate food design ideas that consider all aspects of the eating experience: the food itself, the vessel, the space, and all the human interactions around it. The framework that I have created, called Food Design Target, is in fact embedded in all idea generation methods of this process. This process helps food designers to make sure that their thinking is expanded from narrow to broad. For example, from product or service centric to considering and designing for the whole system that product or service is part of. This approach ensures the food designer is able to see where her proposition fits, how it interacts with other stakeholders, and possibly how it improves aspects of an existing system. System thinking is introduced at the very beginning of the process in the method system map, reinforced throughout the process, and then methodically used towards the end of the process with the method system thinking. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you watch the third part where we will see how the food design thinking process uses empathy or helps the food designer achieve real empathy. And if nothing else, this is a truly unique aspect of this process, and nothing else out there treats empathy the way food design thinking does.